How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of excess skin on your face, an easy tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So with that excess skin, you guys, what we want to do is we still want to lose weight. Losing weight, even if you have excessive skin on the face, it will still help to tighten the area up. Yes, we can still do jawline exercises, and I recommend doing them, but we want to make sure we lose a little bit of weight. Even dropping a simple 5 to 10 pounds can make your face look completely different, you guys. So the reason why people don't like this tip, people want jawline exercises, which I do believe help. The people want the jawline exercises because they're easy to do. It's way easier to just sit there, do easy jawline exercises than it is to actually lose weight. Losing weight can be very difficult. I will explain some tips that I have done myself to help me to lose weight over the course of my 12 years of bulking and cutting, doing powerlifting and bodybuilding. So that's generally what I'll do when I do a year's worth of bodybuilding or powerlifting. I will bulk for about 9 to 10 months, and then I will cut, which is losing weight, for about 2 to 3 months. So those 2 to 3 months, I lose weight. So I've been doing this for a long time, you guys, 12 years. There are lots of tips that I've learned along the way and things that will help you to lose weight very easily. The first thing that I want to recommend is, you hear people say this all the time, it's only diet. That's all you need is diet. You hit your diet, you're gonna lose weight. This is true. The only issue with this is that the one thing that can come in between that is your hunger levels. So to simply say, yeah, eat 3,000 calories a day, or 2,500 or 2,000 calories, whatever you need to lose weight, that's easier said than done. Because what will happen is when you try to do that, you will get hungry, and sometimes you will get extremely hungry. And that's usually what happens to people. They can track their calories, they can weigh their food, but that hunger gets to them. And what will happen is it depends on your willpower. How long can you go starving yourself, basically? So what you need to do to really help you to lose weight is to add cardio. What happens with cardio? If you've ever done cardio, you'll notice usually they have some setting that will read how many calories you burned, right? So people will say, well, I went on the treadmill, I burned 500 calories, but then I had a muffin for 500 calories. So it cancels out. That's actually incorrect. What happens after you do that cardio session, your body continues to burn fat. It continues to burn calories. Depending on how far you went, how intense, you could still be burning calories up to 24 hours after you have done the cardio session. So I've done it before. I've done just diet where I don't work out, or I still lift weights, but I don't do any cardio, and I just basically allow my diet. I can do that because I've been doing this for so long. The willpower aspect for me, I can go starving for a month, 2 months, 3 months, and I have the willpower. I can do it very easily. But when I add cardio to my weight loss diet, it is extremely easy for me. I don't get hungry, and it makes it very simple to hit my calories. So if you're looking to get rid of excessive skin on your face, you've tried to lose weight, honestly add in like a moderate amount of cardio and just keep adding a little bit extra every day. And not only is your heart gonna get stronger, that's what cardio works out, but you're gonna lose weight faster, you guys. And it does. Cardio will speed up the metabolism. It will make losing weight a lot easier. So that's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.